I would like to take you on an experience of what it's like to have the job that you desire, where you'll be able to answer many questions about that new job. So when you're ready, find yourself a comfortable position, somewhere you will not be disturbed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your eyes to close. And as you close your eyes, behind those closed eyes, see a blank canvas. And on this canvas, you can paint a picture of your ideal job. Paint it in vivid colours and allow it to come to life with all the sounds that come with that. Now step into this experience. Allow yourself to enter that experience and look around, taking everything in. And as you do, what does your workspace look like in your dream job? Are you working from home, in an office, outdoors, or somewhere else? What does the atmosphere feel like around you? Is it vibrant, calm, collaborative? How do you feel when you walk into your workspace every day? And what are your primary responsibilities in this job? What tasks or projects do you enjoy working on the most? How do you feel as you complete your daily tasks? What challenges do you face in this job, and how do you overcome them? Who do you work with? Describe your colleagues or team members. How do you collaborate with others? Are you leading a team? Working independently? Or partnering with others? How do your co-workers or clients show appreciation for your work? What type of support do you receive from your team or organization? How does this job align with your passions and values? In what ways does this job make you feel fulfilled and energized? What impact do you feel you are making in this role? And how does your work contribute to something bigger? How do you feel at the end of a day after completing a successful project or task? What skills are you using that you're most proud of in this job? What new things are you learning or mastering in this role? How is this job helping you grow personally and professionally? How do you see yourself evolving in this role over the next few years? How does this job fit into your ideal work-life balance? How much flexibility do you have in your schedule? Are you able to spend time on personal hobbies or with family? How do you feel about the time and energy you invest in your work? What is the most exciting project or achievement you've experienced in this role? How does your company or team recognize your contributions and success? What is your proudest accomplishment in this job so far? How does this job align with your long-term career goals? What about this role makes you feel like you've found your purpose or calling? How does this job position you for future success and opportunities? How do you feel when you wake up in the morning knowing you're going to work? What emotions do you experience throughout your working day? Excitement, pride, or perhaps satisfaction? How do you handle stress or pressure in this role? What's the most enjoyable part of your workday? How would you describe your overall level of happiness and satisfaction in this job? And if you could change anything about this dream job, what would it be, if anything? So when you're ready, you can open your eyes, knowing that you've been able to answer many of these questions, perhaps not all, but many of them, so that you know what your goal is for having the perfect job.